Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe now. Today we are going to be doing a how to clean restore your lace video. First things first, I'm going to start by combing out my closure. I got this closure from Prettynpinkhaircollection. I will put their Instagram in my bio. Okay, yep, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how it looks before I start. I'm going to use my cocoa cream shampoo. I'm going to apply it lightly to the top of my closure where most of the product buildup is. And to help me rub it in, I'm going to get a cloth or a small rag, and I'm just going to rub lightly all throughout my closure. Finally, I'm going to rinse off my lace. This is probably like the best closure I've ever gotten. I know this is only my second install, but I mean the keep up is really good. Be sure that you're getting all of the soap out. You don't want any soap left in your lace. I'm going to go ahead and shampoo the rest of my hair. After that, I'm going to go on my Cantu conditioner. Oops, you guys didn't see that. It doesn't matter what conditioner you use. All conditioners are fine. I also don't think it matters how many times you condition. The more the merrier, but I'm only going to condition once for the time being. You guys can see the finishing result. I hope you liked this video, and I hope it was helpful to you in some way, shape, or form. No. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for my next video.